This event is amazing. It's got barbecue, it's got country music, it's got cornhole, it's got antique cars. Holy cow, it's like all American. It's perfect. Chasers, we're doing something really awesome, fun. You know how we love our barbecue, right?
Oh, I love barbecue.
We are at the Huntingdon County Barbecue Bonanza.
It is amazing.
We are at the BBQ Bonanza in Huntingdon PA, and I think they have a whole 17 teams this year instead of 12 like last year.
So, how many years you been doing this?
This is, well, I did it since the first year. So this is the 4th or 5th year. Yeah.
Really? And tell me about what happened last year.
Well, we actually did pretty well. We placed in every one of our categories and won the grand champion. So we did well last year. Hoping for another repeat. We're getting ready for the competition tomorrow, and tonight we're just cooking some stuff for ourselves. People are more than welcome to come by and sample it. And yeah, we have pork belly, burnt ends, pork belly shredded. We have smoked cabbage. We have beef tri-tip. So what's the difference between the cabbage? This one is barbecue Middlesworth chips, and that one's just butter, bacon, and garlic. I'm not gonna have to give a review, am I?
Maybe.
If it's a good one, you can. If it's
Can we
not,
try a little
take
bit
it
of
somewhere
everything?
else. She already
Try a
maybe
little bit of it's cabbage and bacon.
beef, pork belly, cabbage.
Oh my God, that's delicious.
Which one's the tri-tip?
This one right here.
This one here is
Yep.
the tri-tip. Never had it. I just got a smoker a couple years ago, and I'm still learning how to use it. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Been a nice smoke ring in there. Oh, it just, that's the test right there. Oh yeah. That's about 12 hours work there, I guarantee it.
Jackie, you try both cabbages? Just one?
That's delicious.
In addition to the competition, there were vendors selling barbecue, and we were hungry.
Well, I got the sampler, and that's got a little bit of everything. It's got the sausage, it's got the pulled pork, it's got meatloaf, smoked meatloaf, it's got baked beans with the hot dog in there, it's got smoked macaroni and cheese, and smoked stuffing.
Did we get you napkins?
I can't wait to try this.
We have found paradise. Barbecue paradise. Right here in Huntingdon County. This is amazing. And we even found picnic tables, making it even better.
After we got our bellies full, we decided to go out and see what else was there. What made you think of putting a clothing store in a camper? This is awesome.
Well, I've always loved Airstreams. I've always just been intrigued by them, and I thought what better thing to put in it than a boutique. I started actually making signs in my garage probably 2.5 years ago, and that business name was Just a Girl in a Garage. And I slowly started selling graphic tees also, and the graphic tees slowly just changed, and I realized the women and girls and teens are loving the clothing, so I thought Airstream, boutique, on wheels. So and my goal is to go south and even out west someday.
And there was a car show. And a cornhole competition. And how cool is this? You could get a drink at the BBQ Bonanza.
I'm sorry? Or drinks. You can taste any of our products, and then we have delicious mixed drinks. We also brought the ice cream machine out, so we got some moonshine ice cream that we are doing floats with. I've got the orange moonshine and the peanut butter moonshine in there, and we can mix those with cream soda for floats. They're delicious.
We just had a bite of beef, what is it called?
Tri-tip.
Beef tri-tip by Alan Boyer. Oh my, it was delicious. Thank you, Alan. It was fantastic. He also made some barbecue cabbage, which was just
With bacon.
awesome.
No, cabbage with bacon.
Anything with bacon is good, right? So the benefit, this benefits Huntingdon County Pride and Huntingdon County United Way.
That's right.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And for even more fun, check out our other playlists at The Fun Chasers on YouTube. So till next time, enjoy the journey regardless of the destination. Be nice to your fellow travelers, and above all, have fun. Thanks. See you next time.